Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Blind Bay, British Columbia. This small community is found on the southern shore of Shuswap Lake in the interior of the province. Blind Bay gets its name from the shape of the shoreline, which forms a sheltered and curved bay that is partly hidden from the main body of the lake, almost like it's blind to the rest of Shuswap Lake. The area has long been a popular spot for summer cottages and retirement homes, with many people drawn to its calm waters and scenic landscape. Boating, fishing, swimming, and hiking are all common activities here, especially during the warmer months. The surrounding forests are home to deer, birds, and other wildlife, adding to the area's quiet, natural feel. Blind Bay has grown slowly over time, with development picking up in the second half of the 20th century as more people came to enjoy the lifestyle and views. Today, it remains a relaxing lakeside community in the heart of British Columbia's interior. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Blind Bay, British Columbia. Thanks for watching!